right, so we survived our swim test. Our bait is now in 2 pieces, cleaned up, ready to rock and roll, and ready to be molded. So what does that mean? We're gonna take you to an overhead view. Right now I have some acrylic sheeting left over. I also just did a video on a thing called a photo aquarium. If you're interested in that video, I will link it above. And that material will be the actual mold. So as you can see, it's evolved. I now have these little armatures, which you can actually pick up at Harbor Freight for like $5. And I have my bait sections ready to go. I have actually cut a paintbrush handle to use as the insert. That'll be the spout in the future that I then run the resin down into the bait. Rubber silicone mix 1-to-1, non-toxic, no odors, bubble-free, work time 40 minutes. These are an Amazon special, so I cannot guarantee this is what I will recommend. That said, it was affordable and I like that. Here we are 24 hours later, and apparently I had a little leak. This one, the tail section held up just fine. Everything looks really good. The front section, not so much. As you can see, hot mess. Round 2, I'm gonna order some more of this stuff off Amazon. It seems to be good stuff, or well, we'll find out once I actually do some casting. So stay tuned, we're gonna wait on Amazon. At long last, I am back on track. So, what is the game plan? Now that I have the baits pulled from the mold, it is time to take my molds and go ahead and pour some resin into it. This stuff is Smooth On Featherlight, which a whole bunch of strangers online have assured me is the proper stuff that will float. I'm gonna mix it 1-to-1, pour it in my molds, and off we go. So let's go ahead and do that. We're right at 2 ounces on this guy. So this is nothing in it. Straight out of the mold, cut off the tag ends, and we're good. This sucker's gonna float like a cork. So now we need to make it, just kind of clean it up, get it prepped, and then it's off to counter boring and putting some weight in it. I got a little princess in the back seat here.
Mickey, a rapper, you can let me out.
Yeah, and we'll test the lure. You want to see the lure work?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So hopefully my princess is good luck and we will have a working wake bait and we'll get on the paint. Fingers crossed. Oh, it's wet. Here we go.
It's wiggly.
It does wiggle. Not bad. As you just saw, my wake bait functioned beautifully, so now in the next episode it's on to paint, then we'll hit the water and try and catch a big old bass. Now if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below, and if any video ideas you'd like to see. Also, if you're on Instagram, you can find me at riverbend_woodworks, and you can ask me any questions there and see the latest from my shop there as well. Thank you so much for following along. See you on the next one. That ain't gonna work for a wake bait.